Previously on the journey of Hope KL to Chiang Mai.
You can see how dark the clouds are.
And now the return journey from Chiang Mai to Kuala Lumpur. Good morning from Chiang Mai, Thailand. The time now is going to be 7 AM. You can see those are the Chiang Mai hills behind me. And that's... I was rambling. So here's the plan. I will ride the EV motorcycle as far as possible in 7 days and hopefully set a new record.
It's almost 7:30 and look at the amount of traffic in this city. It's Saturday morning. Where are all these people going? Oh boy, dark clouds are up ahead. Anyway, how do you like my new Lion? This was given by Digitanet. So I've strapped it to my mirror and to keep me company going back to KL. Woo! See the dark clouds over there? But I noticed that no other Thai motorcyclist is put on their raincoat. Look, they don't have their raincoats on. So I think I should just not worry about it.
I saw a petrol station and decided to go in and put on my rain gear. First, keep my jacket. Next, change my shoes. Then is the rain pants. Then the raincoat.
Okay, little lion, you ready for your first ride in the rain? Off we go. I know you can't see anything because the camera is underneath the raincoat, but just to tell you, it's really pelting down now. Woo! The camera is still underneath the raincoat because it's still raining, but just wanted you guys to know that I've started my ascent up that big hill just outside Chiang Mai, and I'm still going up. The rain seems to have stopped at this section. I think I've cleared the big hill, but I'm still getting some small hills which I have to go over.
Hills drain the batteries fast and affect the EV bike's range.
57% of battery left. There's another hill. The road back to Bangkok outside Chiang Mai is just filled with hills, I guess. I can actually go up the hill at 63, 64 kilometers per hour on the CPX Pro. The torque on this machine is pretty amazing. You know what? I think this is the big hill, I'm just descending this big hill. I think this is the big hill, not the one I said when you guys were in the raincoat. Hey, we are still descending. It started to drizzle again. I just unzipped my raincoat. Now I'm having trouble zipping it up again, so I'm just gonna hide behind my windshield here. On the left is an elephant school. Oh, it's a conservation center. You guys are back in the raincoat because it started to rain again. It's quite heavy now. But strangely, I'm still descending the hill. Right, my battery is down to 36% now. Hopefully there's a petrol station coming up. There were no petrol stations when I was going over the hills until right now also. The petrol stations are all on the right hand side, see? Shell and there's PTT on that side. But hopefully there's one on this side. Finally! Petrol station. And they also have a 5-star chicken. Alright. So now we are headed to pick up my shirt which I left at one of the hotel resorts. Right? Look at the sky. There are people selling things by the roadside, and each one of them has a styrofoam box, but I don't know what they're selling. Don't know if you can see the mist on the hills up ahead. Wow, look at those hills. Rats! It's actually started to drizzle, and I haven't seen anywhere I can stop to put on my rain gear. Oh wait, hang on, there's a rest stop coming up. The rest stop is on the right hand side. Over there. I stopped to put on my raincoat, and as usual, 5 minutes later, the rain has stopped. Ish. Yeah, it started to drizzle again, but I think it's going to stop in 5 minutes. Hey, that's Fred Flintstone! Yeah, it's still drizzling, but it doesn't look like it's getting any heavier. Hey, that looks like a Hindu temple. And just as I predicted, about 5 minutes later, the rain is almost stopped. Oops, it started to rain again. So I'm going to do the same trick. Just hide behind the windshield. Whoa, it's getting heavier. There's a white temple on the left. Is it a white temple or is that a... Yeah, it looks like a temple. I'm about 20 kilometers from my first stop. But man, look at the dark clouds. Wait, this is not a road work, this is a police checkpoint. Oh boy, the clouds are really getting darker and darker. Oh, it started to drizzle. Oh, hang on. Woohoo! Yeah, after that short episode of heavy downpour, now there's no rain, but it rained earlier, I can tell, because the roads are wet. Hang on. There. How's that? Can you see the roads are wet? Oh wait, hang on. Started to drizzle again. Ooh. Yeah, I've got another 10 km or so to go. Battery is now down to, whoa, 8%. Holy moly. I've got to do what I've got to do, I guess. It started to rain again. I'm going to hide behind the windshield again. Battery is now down to 6%. And I haven't reached my destination yet. It's next to a petrol station. So I'm looking out for that petrol station. I'm hoping anytime now I'm going to see it, but I don't. Rain is getting heavier. Oh man, down to 4% now. And that petrol station is nowhere in sight. And rain is just preventing me from swapping batteries.
If I couldn't find a place to swap my batteries, I would have to push the bike in the rain.
Do I see a petrol station? No, I don't see one. Oh no. Is this the petrol station I'm looking for? Nope. It's not a petrol station. I'm down to 2%, man. Come on. Down to my last percent. 1% left. And still no petrol station in sight. After this little hill. Come on, man. Can I go a bit slower? Maybe that'll help save some juice. Maybe I drop down to 40. Drop down to 40. Come on, man. 40. 48. No, 40. 1% is actually blinking at me. I see a sign for it. There, this one. I think I'm looking for this one. But the place I'm going to is actually after the petrol station. Oh, I'm at 0%! I'm at 0%! Oh boy! I don't think I can make it.
I turned into the petrol station with intentions of swapping for fresh batteries. But
the support rider is telling me, hey, we're almost there. But I've got 0%, man. I'm at 0%, man. Support rider says, why don't we give it a try? 0%. Does he understand what 0%? He said go slow. Okay, I'm gonna go slow. I'm gonna go at 20 kilometers per hour. 22 kilometers per hour. Oops. 24 already. Let's not do that. Is it this one? No, it's not this one. Next one, I think. Next turning. Almost there. Yes, it's this one. I can got you on 0%. Oh man. Doggo. Hello. Oh. Saudi Cup. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Now we go back to Kuala Lumpur. I just finished charging at Tony's Hotel and Resort. So kind of him to let me charge there. Took me 2 hours just to get up to, well, now it's 69%. So I have a feeling that I can only get maybe another 100 and 110 kilometers before I really have to stop for the day, because it's already 4 p.m. and I don't want to ride when the sun sets. But anyway, on to the next destination. Alright, what's going on? Is that lorry broken down together with the bus? It looks pretty sunny right now, but I'm already in my rain gear because I checked the weather forecast. It's supposed to rain a little further down the highway. I was sweating under the raincoat, so I've unzipped it. It's so much cooler now. I've already ridden 20 kilometers. I can still see the dark clouds in front of me, but it's still sunny here. Yeah, you guys can see this because you guys are in the raincoat. But it's finally raining. In front looks like clear skies. Hopefully it stays that way until I get to my destination for the day. Looks like blue skies. Oops, I think I spoke too soon. Those look like dark clouds. Look at that. Pagoda. Oh, stupa, sorry. What is that, a giant hat? Oh, there's a pagoda up there. Feel the power of the CPX Pro, man. Woo!
good morning. It's just past 7 a.m. Thai time. See this shirt of mine? I actually rode back to the hotel resort because that I stayed in a few days ago because I accidentally left it there, and I liked it so much. So yesterday I went back down to the hotel resort to pick it up. I was rambling. So today I plan to reach Ratchaburi by way of Nakhon Sawan because I can charge my EV motorcycle at Dr. Sitipons College. The target distance is 400 km. By all calculations, it is impossible. But that's the challenge, isn't it? It looks like a rainy day again, that's why I'm in my rain gear. Okay, let's go! Yesterday I tried this no zipping up and hiding behind the windshield. Well, I still got wet, so cannot do that anymore. But it was kind of fun though. Not even 5 minutes into the ride, can you see that there are raindrops everywhere already? Oh, I'm wearing damp clothes because they did not dry after washing them last night. Farmers are going to work. Oh, they have to go to the petrol station first. See the dark clouds, huh? But the Thais don't bother putting on raincoats. Oh, it started to rain, guys. For goodness sakes. It took me a good 10 minutes to put on my rain pants and everything. I rode no more than 50 meters. And look, the rain has stopped. I just took off my rain pants because this pair of pants that I'm wearing right now is damp. And I thought with the damp pants under the rain pants, I might get a fungal infection. I don't really want to be scratching myself the entire night. Okay, what's that? It started to rain again, so you guys are now back in the raincoat. It rained for quite a distance actually just now. It was quite heavy, but there was a sign back there that says that up ahead is the origin of the Chao Phraya River. Woo. I'll have to visit it someday. It's drizzling again. The drizzle is getting heavier, so I'm gonna do what I did yesterday. Battery is now down to 30%. I haven't reached Nakhon Sawan yet. I don't know how many kilometers I have left because the GPS phone is in my bag. It started to drizzle a bit. So I'm just leaving Dr. Sitipon's Technological College, which has a hotel on this side and a gym on that side. Off we go! I thought the rain had stopped when we decided to leave Dr. Sitapon's place, but look, it started drizzling again. Look at all the Thai riders. They don't cross the white line. You guys are back in the raincoat because it looks like the rain is starting up. I can feel the sun's rays on me, and yeah, I'm starting to sweat again. It started raining again, so just hiding behind the windshield again. The drizzling hasn't stopped yet. But it's okay, I'm having fun. Skies are still dark, can you see? Woo! Don't know if you can see that lorry is just churning up the water from the road. Hey, I think that guy is selling coconut ice cream. Can you see it? Look at that. There. I had to zip up. The rain right now is quite heavy, and it was heavy for a long stretch. So I stopped just now to zip up. While fooling around with that no zipping up thing, this whole thing got wet, but the phones inside were dry. So I suppose this thing is kind of waterproof like this pouch. This is a nice U-turn, nice and safe. Under we go. And back out again. Yeah, I had to make a U-turn because I missed the turning. However, in my defense, at the turning, it said Bangkok, and I didn't want to go down to Bangkok.
Okay, we were supposed to turn left here, we missed it. I just rode past a sign that says Bangkok. I want to avoid Bangkok! Well, you guys are inside the raincoat again because it's raining again. Well, it's not drizzling at this part. Battery is now at 39%. I suppose I'll have to find somewhere to charge it. Hey look, this city has provided a bike lane for bicycles on the left. Oh, look at the color of those clouds. Oh, I get it. To go to Bangkok, you turn left.
I had to swap batteries here.
Battery had a quick charge of a little more than 1 hour. I think should be enough to get me to the hotel. Back on with the rain gear. 155 kilometers to the hotel. Look at this. Don't be fooled by the sun. Yeah, it looks really hot here, but the weather map says it's raining everywhere. They're all dark. Look, clouds there, all dark. Oh boy. The hot sun had dried the lion's hair. It's a nice road. It's I think it's off the highway because it's only got 1 lane. But look, what a view, huh? It's starting to drizzle somewhere up ahead where the drizzling is heavier. I'm going to have to stop and sip up. Okay, the rain seems to be getting a little heavier now. So before I hit a place where I cannot stop safely, better zip up now. Okay, see you guys in a while. Right then. Now we are on the inside road. This bridge is not as interesting as the first one. Still. The GPS has asked me to take this lonely road. Hardly any traffic. Whoa, look at the sunset. Wow, we are still on this nice kampung road, man. Look at that sunset. Ah, blocked by the trees. Huh? Why would they say turn left? Thought if you turn right. Now we've turned down this road, and it doesn't look like the main highway either. Oh, look at this! Woo! Oh man, I really love riding past paddy fields. I'm gonna have to try and find this road again the next time I ride in Thailand. I still got another probably 50 kilometers before I get to my destination for the night. Oh gee, it's already 6 p.m. It's an overloaded lorry. Look at the width. Woohoo! Wow, my hotel resort is somewhere inside here.